Using the Calculation and Thematic tab on boundaries, calculations may be performed on one dataset for simple counts, or a combination of the two for percentages. First, click the Calculation and Thematic tab. For simple counts, into the boundaries, take some activity data and drop it into Dataset 1. Set the level to the lowest value, for example, ward. The result formula determines what the program will do with the data. Set the formula to Dataset 1 to count the data into each ward. Click Equals to create statistical bands to the right. TSM works out the lower and upper range and assigns an interval between a default number of bands. Click the Stats light bulb and the Fill light bulb will go out. Click the pencil and the map is redrawn. Each ward colour relates to one of the bands in the statistics. Switching on key sites shows the geographical relationship between them and the hotspots of data. Zoom in to show this in more detail. We can use the lower dataset card to work out percentages. The top dataset contains what we're trying to work out the proportion of. The bottom dataset contains the total we're going to divide by. Drag and drop the total query into Dataset 2. Make sure that the level is also set to ward. Set the result formula to Dataset 1, divide by Dataset 2. Multiply Dataset 1 by 100 to create percentage bands. Click Equals to reflect this in the statistical banding. We now have bands of 10% with all the 100% in the top band. The values can be edited to eliminate 0% wards. Reducing the interval will create more variation in the colours on the map. Reducing it even lower will highlight more of the hotspot areas. The results show the values for each ward. The number we've divided by, the total, and the percentage of the total. This ward has a higher percentage and has a brighter colour on the map to highlight it. Click the Results button again to return to the map.